Yeah, hi, this is Muralishankar here. I was planning for an introductory session which goes more than 3 to 4 episode with the duration of 10 minutes. Is that important to watch? Of course, yes. Because, see, why this is important to you? There is so many parameters out there which is self-conclude. Is that okay for me? Is that important for me? Uh, it's kind of a self-analyzing. It's kind of self-analyzing thing. So it's much important. And secondly, so many friends said to me, I was fully interested, but I don't know where to start. Yeah, of course, I'm here. I'll guide you from where to start. It's totally my part. I'll take care of it. Okay. And third session called ice breaking session. Is that important to watch? Yes, of course, yes. Because see, the most of South Indian, sorry, I'm not specifically said the South Indian. Generally, we go with generally. See, most of middle class or higher middle class, whatever category people, the one thing, if they commenting without knowing anything how it works, anything they don't know, they instantly said, if you invested in stock, it will be go off, because it's they think it's kind of a gamble. Is that really gamble? If you ask me, I also say yes. Then people, you think, why? What is the reason then watching your video, right? That question is really good, but the answer is, without don't know anything, then what is the probability of win the reward, right? My question is, now you get my point, right? So for example, your wish want to swim in ocean, but you don't know swim. How it is possible? Instant, if you want to, if you want to learn to swim, then after only you go to ocean, right? Or else no, I'll directly dive in ocean, I'll learn from swim. Is that possible? Right? The exact same scenario happens over here. If you want to know anything, you come from basic. So now you understand what I'm trying to say, right? And finally, all those stuff sooner I'll post in my YouTube. Actually, I'm working on it, and sooner I'll post my entire videos, introductory videos. I'm just initially I'm just discussed the topic itself, and there is so many in-depth things over there. We will discuss in my full videos. Actually, I was planning to post around 10 minutes like that. I'm working on it. We will sooner post as quick as possible. And before that, I want to make sure that clarify something I saw. It's called a declaration. A declaration, yeah, declaration kind of thing. I'm not a SEBI advisor, first thing. And second thing, I'm not recommending any stock to anyone. Please don't ask me. I'm not suggesting any stocks from myself. And two, declaration is very important. And see you on next video. Bye.